Hello from Minnesota. We are in a deep freeze right now. Average temps running well below zero. So consequently, the furnace is running non-stop. So the skin is super dry. So I am using the 3X3Beauty Eye and Lip Line Repair Wrinkle Stick throughout the day. So super easy to use, loaded with high antioxidants. So I'm going around the mouth and entirely in the mouth, but it is not a chapstick. This is loaded with powerful antioxidant ingredients that are really going to help smooth out fine lines and wrinkles and really nourish the skin. So I like to also put it onto the marionette lines as well as under the eyes where there's some crepiness. This is the thinnest skin on our entire body. Under our eyes, eyelids, you can put it on your eyelids as well, and around the eyes, and just smooth it on throughout the day. You can put it on over your makeup as well, but I definitely use it before I go to bed, first thing in the morning, and then I keep one in my purse, I keep one in the car, I keep one in my pickleball bag, so that I'm always ready to go with it, especially now. So if you are in an area where the furnace does not stop running, you got to take care of your skin. And the 3X3Beauty Eye and Lip Line Wrinkle Repair Stick is just a perfect solution for that. So, okay, check it out, 3x3beauty.com. Hundreds of reviews on the skincare line, and I think you'll love it. Affordable, USA made, and very powerful, pure ingredients.